CleverTech is high-quality packaging lines, but also customer service and technical support. We'll learn more with Mohamed Kouki, Head of After Sales Department, and with Amit Kaldilkar, Managing Director of CleverTech India. Mohamed, what is it, the CleverTech DLS service?
So the DLS service is a service that we are offering to all our customers worldwide, and we have different 7 services on it. So we can talk about DLS service where we take care about installation and the startup of the machine. We can talk about DLS performance where we are offering to our customers a contract for the preventive maintenance, interventions with our customers to fine-tune their machines. We can talk as well about DLS Academy, where we offer to our customers customized trainings, so to all the different employees, so operators. We can talk as well about the maintenance or as well about programming training. As well, we have DLS upgrades, where we take care about all of our very old machines to do modification and to upgrade them to have a better performance. We can talk about DLS H24, where we have support worldwide every day and in any time. Our customer can call us and we can support them. And as well, we have the DLS spare parts, where we offer to our customer all the packages of spare parts and to give a better lifetime to the machine.
And what about the after-sales service? How much is important for your customers?
So for CleverTech, the after-sales customer service is very important as we are trying to get the support worldwide with our different 8 branches around the world. So we have more than 25 years machines installed everywhere, and we are trying to support them with our different teams. We have more than 100 technicians around the world who are supporting our customers. As well, the barrier of language is very important for us, so this is why we tried to be present everywhere with all the different languages, so that we can guarantee the better support and a proper communication between us and our customers.
CleverTech supplies and distributes its lines, its equipment all over the world. But who are the key persons for the MENA markets?
So the key persons are Mr. Marco Rama, who is the regional sales manager, and Mr. Amit Kaldilkar, who is the director of CleverTech India.
Amit, how strongly CleverTech is connected with the MENA market?
Yes, the MENA market has been always an interesting and an important market for CleverTech. CleverTech has been present traditionally in the metal packaging segment in a big way, also home care and personal care. And in the recent years, we have been making important installations in the food sector. And in order to support these installations that we have all across the region, we have now a very good base from India, where we are around 52 people with 26 service technicians home in India that are able to bring all these services to our customer in a very short period of time. Apart of this, the India subsidiary is also becoming an important part of the CleverTech group by bringing manufacturing but also R&D products that were earlier not a part of the CleverTech portfolio but could be relevant for this region are now being developed, like small palletizers for smaller lines and line speeds in India, and could be offered to our customers in this geography.
So, Mohamed, would you say goodbye to our Middle East audience?
Sure. شكرا على حضوركم معنا this year في Gulf Food, وإن شاء الله راح نكون لكم as CleverTech partner وسبورت في الأعوام الجاية إن شاء الله.
So, thank you so much to Mohamed Kouki, Amit Kaldilkar, and thank you so much to CleverTech.